Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy RWA or Allo token on Binance Alpha. It's very easy. First you can open your Binance apps and go to search box here in the top. Then you can search RWA, and as you can see there is RWA on Alpha. You can click it. Then this is the chart, guys. And if you want to see the details, you can click info in the top here. There is volume, market cap, and the price information. Also, you can see the square here. And if you want to buy it, it's very easy. You can just click trade in the bottom here. And then you can swap your BNB or other token to RWA. That's it. If you found this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.